Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic QCAD tutorial how to change line type scale. For example, I will draw lines with two lines of points. I will click start from this point into here, again to the bottom here. Now we can press escape button to close, and if you want to change line type, you can select the lines and then go to property editor. In line type, you can set, like I will use ISO dash, and to be automatically changed. So if you want to change this line type scales, you can select the objects and then click in here to change the line type scale. Like I will set into 3, line type will be automatically changed into 3. Or you can set it more small, you can set into 0,2. This is 0,2. It's a very small for this dash line type. So the default will be set into 1. Okay, that's it for basic QCAD tutorial, how to change line type scale. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.